This is where every dream begins, with nothing, not even enough to survive. A small home filled with big worries, responsibility heavy on his shoulders. Walking forward, but with no clear path. Then, one day, he saw an opportunity. A world of machines, speed, and skill. He made a choice to step inside. The first day, confusing and overwhelming. Mistakes came quickly, confidence fell. Voices got louder, pressure increased. Long hours felt even longer. His body tired, but he kept going. Small earnings, big disappointment. Others moved ahead, faster and better. He asked himself, is this my limit? Then he noticed something different. Skill, precision, confidence. And suddenly, it clicked. Success wasn't luck, it was learned. So he stayed even after work ended. He failed again, but didn't stop. Thread by thread, he started learning. Practice turned into progress. Slowly, mistakes became fewer. His hands moved with confidence. For the first time, he was noticed. And for the first time, he believed in himself. Then came the moment he earned. A better life, step by step. A stronger home, built with effort. Smiles returned where stress once lived. But he didn't forget his past. He chose to lift others as he rose. Today, he stands proud of his journey. All from one decision: to never give up.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.